A lot of people have requested that I show some exercises to help with foundational strength, the things that I personally work on to protect my knees and to keep my base strong. These are exercises that I personally do in my own daily routine that have really helped me to strengthen up my feet and my glutes and my core. I need to be able to come up and balance. I need to be able to kick. I need to be able to come down. So, how do I work on exercising the things that need to really be strong to support that? When I'm able to do that, then of course I'm also able to maintain my balance when I walk. So, I'm able to maintain my center, my balance, keep my alignment so my knees don't hurt when I'm walking forward and I'm walking backward, when I'm getting out of the car and I'm stepping down and I get out. So I have built a really good, strong base and I have good alignment. So my knees don't hurt because my knees are out of alignment in all of the daily activities that I do. It always has to start with finding your equilibrium to know what is it that you need to work on. You have to listen to your body. So your body tells you what you need to work on, not somebody else telling you what you need to work on. Like, listen to your own body and give it time to be able to inform you. So this is what I always start. I actually start with bringing my feet together, toes together, heels together, and I just allow myself to be still. There's a point on the top of your head called the Bai Hui point. It's right at the crown of the head. And in our Tai Chi and Qigong practice, we imagine we're hanging down from this point. Like there's a rope tied to the ceiling and it's tied to the crown of our head at the Bai Hui point, and we're hanging there. Hanging doesn't mean lifting. Two very different things. So many people I see when I give this instruction to feel that you are getting pulled up from the top of the head, what people do is they start lifting up their head and lifting up the chin. That's not the visual and the feeling. The visual and the feeling is that you're hanging from this spot. So you're dangling and you still allow gravity to flow through. Keep your chin relaxed. And what this will do is it will take your head, align it on top of your neck, align it on top of your spine. So that goes through up and down. So we're not like this anymore. Getting pulled up here, keeping the neck relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Allow gravity to flow through the body. Like feel gravity flowing through your body and feel it pulling your shoulders and arms and fingertips down. And allow that to hang, feet together, heels together, and just allow yourself to feel this position, this equilibrium. And notice where the asymmetries and misalignments are. Get yourself to an equilibrium. So just keeping yourself still in this position, you might feel like your glutes already need to start activating to maintain your stability. Your core is lightly engaged when you feel that pull on the top of your head. Feel that weight distribution in your feet. Don't let it sink in your heels. When you sink the weight into your heels, it's like an anchor that pulls you down. We want to be limber. So keep that weight over the balls of your feet. Start here. And now, I want you to think about your core in a different way. You may be doing exercises for your core already, but I think that they're probably more abdominal exercises. I want you to think about an apple's core. The apple's core runs through the entire length of the apple. It starts all the way from the top where you have the stem and it goes all the way down the bottom. It runs completely through the apple down the center. And I want you to start thinking about your core in that way. So it's not just here, But think about the core as the whole stabilizing part of your body that runs all the way from the top of your head all the way down to your feet. We're going to do an exercise that's going to strengthen our feet and our core. I want you to imagine that rope that you've been hanging from, that rope now pulls you up. Hands attached to the side of your thighs. Keep your shoulders down and relaxed. Toes and heels keep together. And feel like you're getting pulled up from the top of your head all the way up. And as you get pulled up from the top of your head, your whole body's going to lift up as well. You're going to engage your core. You're going to let your pelvic floor squeeze and lift up. Your glutes engage up. And then look at what happens with your heels. Allowing yourself to get pulled up, engage, squeeze, lift, and your heels come up off the ground. And then allow the heels to lower halfway, and your whole body weight drops down. This is not us pushing up from the heel. If you push yourself up from the heel, your body's going to come forward and you're going to lose balance. So this is really to engage from the core to lift up. So the feeling is like you're getting pulled up. But like I like to imagine you're a carrot getting pulled up from the ground. So it's like that feeling is from up here. You're getting pulled, 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 pulled. And then you hold yourself here. So this is going to also strengthen up your feet, your calves, your ankles. Allow the heels to come halfway and your whole body weight drops down. Inhale as we engage, squeeze, lift up, 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 up. And then heels come down halfway. Whole body weight drops down. This movement is from the Ba Duan Jin 8-section Brocade Qigong routine. It's the 8th movement. Start here to strengthen up your core and your glutes and your feet. If you like this one and you want more foot strengthening exercises, let me know and I'll give you some more. All right?